Well, I got a little carried away. Stopped working on the carb. It's running good enough for now. I wanted to go start putting the new shackles I made on it. It actually came off my old Jeep. I want to go for a gasser look for the truck. I like that look. It looks good, in my opinion. So, put the little hammer. I already started on the shackles. I'll show you that mess here in a minute. Ugh. Show you the new shackles I got made for it. Get off there, glove. So they're boomerang style shackles. Like I said, they came off my Jeep. I made those a little while back. 1/4-inch steel. Worked on the Jeep. Should work on the truck just fine. That's my dog. Dogs. So I got the one bolt out. It came out fairly easy. It looks good. It's a good looking bolt. Let's see if I still have it. Yeah. Here it is. It's just... perfect. So we got that side out. Off the leaf spring. Now I still have to get this side out. It's welded on there for whatever reason. I don't know. Other people just... they're A1. So yeah. This side was a treat. They did the same thing. It's welded on there. But this side broke off. So, you can tell the shackle's all bent and I was riding real sketchy. So, I'm kind of glad I dove into this. Haven't had to cut the head off of that bolt. Well, it wasn't even a bolt. Look at this thing. It's perfectly rounded. Someone did an amazing job at stripping it. Or... I don't know. So, I pounded on that a little bit. Couldn't get it to come out. So I got the old tuning fork. And I slide that in there. And hit her with that little hammer I got there. Let's see what happens. Let's try to set this up. Oh. Nope. Nope. Well, this is just not working. Let's try using vice grips. Son of a gun. Come on. I don't think it's gonna work. No, you can't see nothing. Oh, still can't see nothing. If I could just stop that from sliding, I'll use a shackle. There we go. Alright, sorry about that. Here we go. Put a little tuning fork in there. Let's see what it's just gonna shoot right into the frame, but that's fine. Wow, look at that. It's not taking it out of the shackle. It's pulling the bolt through the eyelet. Amazing. Amazing. Let's keep hammering on this, see where it leads us. Well, I'm gonna get a punch, see if we can punch that through there. I don't know. It's pretty amazing. Maybe if I let off the jack some? Give that a try. Something happened. Give it a brap. Come on. Sorry about the old earbuds dangling. Like I said, it'll get better. Maybe I can use the old bolt to smash that one out. Let's give it a shot. Lay down, sweetie. Daughter's just fussing. She's laying down for a nap. Oh, that's just not gonna work. Show you what we got going on here. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, my camera work is just terrible. See, it just does not want to come out of its home. See? Oh yeah, she's a greasy mess under there. Don't worry about that. Alright, shut this off. Show you what the end result looks like. So, I got the shackle off. I got the fancy make it come out press on it. And I'm trying to get this bush out. She's really fighting me. So I got the WD-40. There's some other threads as well. Oh, it's squirting like garbage. Oh, that's okay. I brought the honeydew as well. I'll shoot her up with a bit of this. Oh yeah, that hole in there. I don't know if it goes anywhere, but we're gonna hit it anyways. I'll put some other threads there. There we go. So, crank on a bit, see what happens. It's not perfectly lined up, but get the old foot power on her. Yeah! Come over there. I don't know if it's coming, I don't think so. But let's give her another crank, see what happens. Yeah! Come over there. Doesn't look like it's moving. Oh. Use my camera prop here. Oh. This might need heat. I don't have any in my torch right now. That's about as much as I'm willing to put into it. Okay, when I make some progress, I'll show you where I'm at. Let's just take a look at what we got here. So we got the press. Got it halfway pressed out. So what's up? Oh. So now this is just good stuck in there. What's happening is this bracket here, it's like a U, and one side's backed against the frame. Well, the part against the frame is coming out with the bushing. That's where we have this issue happening here. So that's good. I should have used heat. It's lazy. God, I don't even know if you can see any of this, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out a way to get out of this pickle. That's fantastic. And it looks like it's gonna start raining soon. It's even better. Alright, anyways. Mess with this a little bit. See where I get. I'll probably go get the heat. Okay, so said I had to get the shackle off. Big trouble. I ended up just having to zip the rivets. And then I air chiseled them off with that bad boy. So yes, finally got the bracket out. As you can see. Wow. Hey? I don't know if there's gonna be any fixing this. Holy. Well. I'll throw her on the bench and try to press her the opposite way. Because it's obviously not going to come this way. Let you know where we're at when I get her out, hopefully. Gee, hopefully the other side comes easier. Maybe I'll just cut that off right away. I don't know.